Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will see how to run our React Native project in Visual Studio and how to create AVD, which is Android Virtual Device in Android Studio. So both of these two things we will see in this video. Just you have to open the, so first we will see the how to create the AVD in Android Studio. So first you have to open the Android Studio like this. Just click on Android Studio. So you can see the more actions, right? Just click on it and go to the virtual device manager. And here I have created 3 virtual devices. And if you want to create it another one, so just click on plus button. And based upon your requirement, there will be TV, desktop, tablet. So based upon your requirement, you can choose it. So I want phone. So that's why I'm choosing phone. And you can choose pixel fold. So it will come like this. And if you want medium phone, you can choose it. And if you want small phone, you can choose it. So I want small phone and I will click on next. And I will use, like, you have to download the tiramisu here. So you can download the tiramisu here. And I hope it will be having 1.2 GB. So you have to download 1.2 GB of data. So and after that you have to select the tiramisu and click on next. So I want portrait. I'm setting it portrait and click on finish. And you'll be having small phone. So just click on starting AVD. Then AVD will be started. So the AVD will be started. So now, so the Android emulator has started, right? So in the meanwhile, we will open the Visual Studio. So in this, you have to open this folder in the Visual Studio. How can you open this? Just click on File and create open folder here. So and then go to the desktop. And here you'll be having your Altron project, right? Just click on Altron project and select folder. Then these structures will come in the Visual Studio. So after opening this, you will be having this folder and you'll be having test, bundle, Android, iOS, and node modules, and ES, Lentric, git ignore, prettier, watchman, config, app.json, app.tsx. So all these things you'll find. So in this, you have to see 3 things, like basic things. So the 3 things are app.tsx. So where all the code, like the main code will be written here only. The main code will be written here only. So this app.tsx will be filed in the index.tsx. So how can you know? Just you can see here, right? It is a app. So it is an app function, right? So this app will be filed in the index.js, right? So and you'll be having package.json, and here you'll be having script and dependencies. So script, what is the use of script is, if you don't know the command, like if you don't know how to uh run the project in React Native Android, so you can see here, right, this command React Native run Android. So you can, if you forget any commands, then you can go to the script and you can check it and you can execute the project using those commands. So that is the use of scripts. And you have to include it. You have to include it in the package.json, then only it will work. And you'll be having dependencies. So these are the dependencies we can have to add it. So you'll be having React and React Native, React and React Native. So where these dependencies are there? So in app.tsx, you can see here, right? So here you can see, right, the React. So this React should be there in the dependencies, should be there in the package.json, and you'll be having a React Native also, right? React Native. So this thing also should be included in the package.json. So see here, React and React Native. So then only it will work. So whatever the components you are having, right? Safe area view. So all these are components, right? Components that mean but functions. But in React Native, we call it functions as the components. So we'll be having safe area view, scroll view, status bar, style sheet, text, use color scheme view. So if you work with all these components, you have to add the dependency React Native. Then only it will work. Otherwise, it will not work. So I hope you understand all these things. So you'll be having styles. So you can create an object and give styles to the project. So we have created AVD, the Android virtual device, and we will run this project in the Android virtual device. So for this, you have to open the terminal, just click clear here, and here, so you see here, right, the plus button. So it will open the new terminal. It will open the new terminal. So first of all, to execute the React Native project in Visual Studio, you have to run the metro. You have to run the metro. How can you can run the how can you can run the metro? Just you have to type npm start npm start. So the metro will be started. So then you have to click on the plus button, and it will again open, and click on clear here. So you have to run first metro, and after that you have to open another terminal, and here you have to write npx react native run android. Then the project will be start running the project. You can see, right? It is installing the app. It is installing the app. So it will run. Wait until it is installing. So the configuration part is running. So 600% is completed, and executing is also 100% is completed. See here, small phone API. So in this, the app is installing, and we can see the screen, like the React Native project page in that small underscore phone underscore API underscore 33 AVD hyphen 13. So in that phone, we can see this project. So until you have to wait for 57 seconds. It's taking time. Let's wait. Meanwhile, we will explore a README file. So we'll be having a React Native, and you can see the dev project, right? And Bootstrap using React Native community CLI. So all these things will be, you can see in the README file. So you can read all these things. Can read all these things. So here you can see here, right? So here you can use npm for start or yarns to start. So what are the two commands you have to use? So to start the metro, we have to use npm start or yarn start. So if you want more details like this, you have to drag like this and you can read it so that you get the required information while executing this project. Like while executing this project, you will get some errors, right? So to ignore those errors, you have to read this readme file so that those errors will not be get in your project. So our project is successfully executed. So see, right, you can see, right, our project is successfully executed. Our project is successfully executed. So you can drag like this. So UI is not responding properly. So this is the emulator. This is the emulator. This is the emulator. So in the next class, we will execute the overall project in our mobile phone. We will connect our mobile phone. But I just want to show you the emulator, how emulator works in the, like how AVD, like we have created the AVD, right? So how it works, I just showed to you. That's it. But next time we will execute all these projects in our mobile phone only. We will connect our mobile phone and we will execute it, and we can see our mobile phone by using Visor. So I hope you understand how to create AVD and use it. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand all these things. The build is also successful. So this is how the structure will be there. And so I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, just please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.